Hello. Okay, so this is like my weekly forecast for next week. You'll simply just go through all the Forex pairs that I trade and tell you the direction and also whether the price action or the candlesticks are within my point of interest to start looking for trades on lower time frames. So yeah, just pause the screen here and just read through everything that I've got up on the screen. And once you're happy with that, let's go through the pairs. So there's currently no trade set up, so USD JPY. Overall, we are bearish. Okay, we're currently within the point of interest, POI, and we should now be looking at lower time frames for confirmations to continue going downwards. Like I said, big fat red arrow means overall we're bearish, so only look for sell trades. Big fat green arrows, it means that we are bullish and should only look for long trades. The 4-hour fair value gap / imbalance is my point of interest. So when we come into a fair value gap that is bearish and the market is overall bearish, that's when we use the lower time frames. Hopefully that makes sense as we continue through the pairs. So I can speed things up now and carry on going through there. So yeah, GBP, JPY. I won't say the name of the currency pairs. You can simply spot them up in the top corner. So, and I'll flick through them all and just pause. Just pause on the currency pairs that you're interested at looking at. Please note, obviously, throughout the week, price action and order flow and market structure is going to change. So what you see now, which may be bullish or bearish a couple of days into next week, could flip. But as it stands, obviously, going into next week, for instance, the EURUSD, we are still currently bullish. And I actually managed to get a trade, which is the 4-hour fair value gap. Reacted to it nicely, managed to scalp out some pips on the EURUSD. Loads of trade opportunities on CAD JPY. And that's it. So we went through all the pairs. Like I said, just pause on each pair that you want to study further. As you see, not many opportunities, but there are some available going into next week. And I will keep you updated when the way I draw my order flow, my market structure. I will keep you updated on if any of the pairs flip. Any more questions, just let me know. I'd love to hear your input, whether you think some of my the pairs that I'm using, whether some are actually bullish when they say they're bullish or are bearish when they say they are bearish. And yeah, let's go into next week and make some money. Peace.